should now have found a black cable. Please do not pull it out. If you have already done so, please do not plug it back in.
What are you doing?
Taking the frame horn out.
No, I told you to take the horn. Not the frame horn. You're cutting the whole front end off. Jesus.
He was actually using this. Look at, look. New grinding wheel.
Oh, that would hurt. All right, you ready? Jesus.
Red Row at its best.